The U.S. Civil War battles timeline is a graphical timeline built with Istoriam that displays the great majority of the battles that occurred during the U.S. Civil War. The timeline is displayed in a hierarchical form, starting with the main operation theaters, such as the main Eastern or main Western theaters. Each theater is then divided into campaigns, expeditions, raids, or other. Finally, each of the latter contains their associated battles. Each one of the battles is provided with a small description summary that shows the location where the battle took place, the main commanders of each camp, the estimated forces engaged, the estimated casualties, and the declared victor of the battle. A map is also provided that highlights the location of the battle. To help you sort through the different battles, filters were created and added to the timeline. You can filter the timeline to display the battles that were part of a specific theater, a specific campaign, expedition, raid, the U.S. state in which the battle occurred, the winner of the battles, the date, and other criteria. Here are a few examples of filters. The first one shows the battles that took place in the state of Alabama. If you want to add the ones that took place in the state of South Carolina, you can select that filter too. This final example shows the battles that were inconclusive. You can also create your own filters. The timeline can be used as a foundation for someone who wants to build his or her own Civil War timeline. The timeline provides the list of battles to which the user can add their own events. The timeline can also be used by someone who is interested in viewing and correlating the occurrence of battles for research work. The timeline does not bring any historical context to the battles. It just lists them. To build the timeline, we use the data available in Wikipedia as well as on the American Battlefield Protection Program websites. A URL reference for both is provided with each battle that can help you access quickly the battle pages on those two websites. The timeline can be viewed using the Istoriam application that is available for the Apple Mac platforms and can be downloaded from Apple's App Store. We provided the URL to download that app in the notes section of this YouTube page.